What's up, guys? Today something a little bit different. So we got this. This was actually last year's build. It's been sitting here for a while because due to this coronavirus and stuff, we kind of put this thing on hold. This just got back to us because it's actually going back to road legal, because right now it's in the supermoto configuration, and on top of that we're actually going to do a full service. It's the first service that this bike is actually going to receive, and we'll substitute the sprocket. What we're going to do now is actually give this thing a good clean, because it's full of the nasty stuff from sitting, and yeah, let's get to it. We'll kind of give it a quick wash for now, and then actually get into the detail of cleaning it, being careful not to put any water on the electronics of the bike. So let's get to it. So guys, now that we got the bike all good and detailed, we're actually going to fit it back into the street legal conversion. So pretty much it's going to have a front headlight, obviously the rear tail light, all the blinkers working, and we have to install all the brackets for the odometer and the front headlight mount. So yeah, we'll do that, and then we'll give a full checkup to all of the bolts and actually torque down to the original Honda specs every single moving part of the bike, so swing arm, the suspensions, and both wheels. So let's do it. Alright guys, so we fit back together headlight and tail light, and we went ahead and inspected the air filter since we were there. We also checked the battery voltage, everything looks good. So right now we're actually going to start it, let it heat up for a little bit, and then we'll actually go ahead and do a full oil change on it. We'll actually even inspect the oil filter, just to be sure, being that this is a brand new bike, we don't want anything going wrong on it. On spot.